Today I'm going to show you how to take your laundry detergent. This is it's 6 times concentrated, it's 64 loads. I can definitely make 3 32-ounce bottles of detergent out of this one 32 ounces. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I've got these 3 empty shampoo containers, and I'm gonna divide it up into 3. I'm gonna divide this bottle of detergent into 3. So I'm gonna do that in just a second. Okay, now you can see that I have split this into 3 bottles evenly. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take your Thieves household cleaner, and I'm just gonna put 2 capfuls, oops, oh my, in each bottle. Oh my word. All right, and then all you're gonna do from here is we're gonna go fill it up. All right, fill it up with water very slowly and carefully. I have my 3 detergents with 2 capfuls of these household cleaner. And at this point, you can either add 10 to 20 drops of essential oils, or just put the lid on it. And then I just kind of mix it up by rolling it back and forth. You just kind of turn it over, just mixes it together without getting it all sudsy. Now, the reason I do this, okay, number one is I was filling I had 3 of these, and I was filling these up with water and diluting them with, or putting the Thieves household cleaner in there. But I did not trust my children to put the right amount in. So this is what I'm starting to do now. So it's gonna be 2 pumps per load, and that's it. If it is a heavy load, then if it's a really dirty, nasty load, then I would also just add a capful of this to it. If it's just sheets or something else like that, then or maybe even towels, I would probably put 3 pumps in. But this is gonna save you so much money. This is something that I get in my Central Rewards. This is gonna last me months. So anyway, I highly recommend this because this was one of the first things I changed in the non-toxic lifestyle, because as we were putting our clothes on, as we were taking a bath and drying off with shower, as we're sleeping at night on our sheets and pillowcases, all of the chemicals are being absorbed into our skin. And so I really wanted to change this first. And I'm super happy the way this cleans. Absolutely love it. I will not go back. I can't go back. Knowing that, number one, you're purchasing water at the store, and then all of the stuff that comes in that. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and